In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grab for your food delivery needs. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone trying out this platform for the first time, I've got you covered. We're gonna walk through the essential steps to ensure you get the most out of your experience, including snagging those all-important deals. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you need to head over to the GrabFood website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the website URL, or click the link if it's already provided for you, which is often the easiest and fastest way to reach the site. Once you're there, you'll see a host of options laid out for you, ranging from a variety of cuisines to some of your favourite local eateries. This is your starting point for ordering food right to your doorstep. Next, we dive right into the basket feature. The basket is essentially your shopping cart for food items. To track what you've selected for your meal, click on the basket icon, typically found in a prominent spot on the page, often in the upper right hand corner. This will help you keep a running tab of all the delicious items you're adding, ensuring you meet any minimum order requirements for your delivery and allowing you to review everything before you check out. Now, let's talk about offers. Who doesn't love getting a great deal on their favourite meals? Grab makes it incredibly easy to find offers that can be applied to your order. Click on the offer section where you'll find a list of available promotions or discounts. These can range from percentages off your order or even free delivery, making your meal taste even better knowing you snagged an awesome deal. Always keep an eye on this section before finalising your order, since deals can add up to substantial savings. Finally, we arrive at applying your voucher code, which allows you to enjoy those promotions you just discovered. Once you have selected all your desired food items and they're safely nestled in your basket, enter your voucher code in the specified field. This is usually prominently displayed during the checkout process. Carefully type in the code to ensure accuracy. A small typo might prevent the discount from being applied. Once the code is verified, you'll see your total adjust accordingly, reflecting the savings from the voucher. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can maximize your GrabFood experience, ensuring you get the best offers while enjoying a smooth, user-friendly ordering process. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresh, and enjoy your meal with the added comfort of a savvy shopper who knows how to make the most of Grab's fantastic features.